Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Ines Santos. Hi if you're new here. And yeah, as you can see from the title of this video, I'm going to be unboxing Moldavite. So if you don't know what Moldavite is, it's basically the world's strongest crystal found, and how it was formed was out of this planet, like literally it was crazy. So 15 million years ago, an asteroid hit Germany and then this crystal started to form. I'm so excited because I've got it here. So it came in this like brown package. I got it from a website called Psychic Tree. So yeah, they're really good because yeah, I'm really excited. Oh my god. Oh my god, there it is. It's so tiny. Oh my god. Here it is. It's crazy. Oh my god. Apparently this thing has so much power. That's actually crazy. Gosh. Ew, my scarf has leaves on it. Boom! Here we are. I decided to get creative and to do something I've never done before, which is turning a crystal into a like ring, basically. So turning a crystal into jewelry. So I'm using Moldavite today, and honestly, like, I've heard it's very powerful, but I want to turn it into a jewelry so I can bring it with me every day. From the video I watched, you need these type of tools. So I've got like one that looks like a crocodile, so like, oh my god, like crocodile. I've got crocodile number 2. I've got like an alligator. And I've got the turtle. This one looks like a turtle to me. Oh my god. And then I've got the spider piranha, like the one that just goes and then I've got a turtle number 2. So we've got the pliers and then we've got the wire. This is basically what I'm going to use to make that metal. I don't have the proper instrument that they use to actually make it. Like, I'm just following this YouTube video that this girl made, and I didn't want to buy all the, I was going to say ingredients. I don't want to buy all the equipment. So I kind of just found things around the house that I thought might help me do this. And then I got this. So you may ask, what is this? Honestly, I don't know what this is, but for the purpose of this video and making the ring, I'm going to use this as the template to wrap the wire around. Like, basically, you'll know what I mean once I get into the video, but I don't have this, which is how you actually do it. Like, you wrap the wire around. Oh my god, I don't know how to explain this. I don't know what I'm doing. I'm trying to just stay on and continue watching. Stay tuned. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to find the middle. Cool. And now I'm going to put it here. So what I'm doing is I'm basically wrapping around the wire around this, just like the lady said to do. Okay, this is going to be very difficult, but we got this. I can do this. I can freaking do this. Okay, I got it. Hook this end through. And then I'm going to loop it through another time because this is very thin. She said to do it twice, but her wire is a lot thicker than mine. So you know what? I'm going to go ahead and do it another time.
Just take your stone, see about.
I've wrapped it around so it's secure. And then the lady says to grab the stone and put it into place. This is kind of fun, I'm not gonna lie. I'm gonna grab this side. Okay, I'm gonna wrap it one more time. I've basically done 2, can you see it? I'm literally trying my best. I've done like 2 loops, one there, one there. so it marks where the stone is going to be placed. This is good. We're getting there. We're getting there. We're getting there. I need some energy, so let me just quickly. Okay, we're back. So basically what I have to do now is I have to wrap this wire around the Moldavite, and I have to feed this pot through so that it holds it into place. This is so difficult. It's not difficult, it's easy. Whoa, that almost stabbed me in my eye.
So thanks so much for watching the video. Give it a big thumbs up.
Thank you, girl. You actually helped me so much. I love you. Yeah, I'll link her down below because she really did help. Okay, I'm gonna cut it now. And then this one we're gonna clip over here. So yeah, that's basically the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, make sure you give it a big thumbs up and subscribe. And yeah, I'll see you on the next video. Bye.